Let me ask you a serious question. Have you ever admired someone's lifestyle only to later find out it was all fake? They drove the car, wore the brands, lived in the mansion, but the bank account? Empty. Today we are exposing the difference between looking rich and being rich. And once you know the signs, you will never be fooled again, even by yourself. Hit the like button so more people don't fall for fake wealth traps, and subscribe for real wealth building truth every week. Let's get into it. Daniel, he posts every day about living this soft life. He's always at brunch, always rocking designer labels, and his captions scream success. But what you don't see is the overdraft notification, the buy now pay later apps, the unpaid rent. Daniel isn't rich. He's trapped in a cycle of performing wealth. He's got Gucci on his chest, but no emergency fund. iPhone 15 in his hand, but no investment. A rented lifestyle to impress strangers. And the saddest part? So many of us try to copy this, thinking it's success. Now meet Tola. You wouldn't know she's rich. She wears simple clothes, drives a used car, and doesn't broadcast her wins. But behind the scene, she owns 2 rental properties, has a diversified investment portfolio, spends less than she earns, and sleeps very well at night. No debt, no drama. Actually, rich people don't flex for the internet. They flex for freedom. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most people would rather look rich than be rich. One gives instant likes, the other requires long-term discipline. But only one gives you peace of mind. Now let's look at the difference between fake rich and actually rich. Fake rich spends to impress others. Actually rich spends to build value. Fake rich shows off liabilities. Actually rich quietly accumulates assets. Fake rich avoids budgeting. Actually rich controls every naira. Fake rich lives for now. Actually rich plans for the long term. Fake rich flexes online. Actually rich invests offline. The difference is clear. One is chasing clout, the other is building legacy. Don't get caught in the performance trap. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Build quietly, grow intentionally, and flex results, not receipts. If you want to start that journey and build true wealth, lasting wealth, I wrote a book just for you. It's called Rich, Young, and African, a practical guide to wealth creation, tailored to our unique realities. Grab your copy now using the link in the description or pinned comment. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.